Okay, so you know how everybody talks about the separation? I mean, we have talked about it here as well. Dolores Cannon talks about it, Bashar talks about it. Literally, everybody knows there's going to be a separation. And no one really says why the separation is supposed to happen. They just say it's going to happen. Now, I believe in order for them to tell us what the separation is or to show us why the separation is happening, they have to show us this. All right, this is a Fibonacci sequence, and this is a crystal spiral sequence. This is inorganic, this is organic. If you look over here at both of them, you will see that the Christos one actually touches all 12, the very top, you see, touches the 12th template on the Katara, whereas the red one only comes down to here and touches the 11th one, because the fallen angels can't go above 11, and the 12 is ours. Now, each of these creates their own reality with their own geometry and their own laws. So right now we are experiencing the two timelines because we are right here. Before this line where they meet, we are right here. The line that they both meet over here and cross is the 144 point. That means that in the Fibonacci sequence, there's 144, which the 144 is right here. And in the crystal sequence, there's also 144 that they both meet right here. And once they meet, then once they cross paths, that's when the separation of realities are going to happen. And first it will go slow, and eventually they will separate far enough that will have completely different realities. Also, at the point where they meet, where the 144 point is where they meet, the Fibonacci sequence is going to eventually try to bring the crystal's spiral down, pull it down, and not allow it to touch D12. But that's not going to happen. The separation will happen, and then there will be two realities. There'll be the Fibonacci sequence reality, and there will be our reality. So what the Metatron and the Fallens are trying to do is to try to collect as much as frequency as possible so that when the fall happens, they will take as much as they can down there with them. Because remember, they can't generate energy. They have to suck energy out of what already is connected to source. So in reality, we have two timelines, an ascending timeline and a descending timeline. And it's our responsibility to make sure that we're aligning ourselves with the correct timeline. As usual, let me know what you think.